Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 41. Which tense describes a past action that was interrupted by another past action? A. I watched TV when the phone rang. B. I was watching TV when the phone rang. C. I have watched TV when the phone rang. D. I watch TV when the phone rings. Correct answer, I was watching TV when the phone rang. Past continuous tense. Question number 42. Which tense describes a future action that is part of a regular schedule or timetable? A. The flight departs at 7 p.m. B. The flight is departing at 7 p.m. C. The flight will depart at 7 p.m. D. The flight departed at 7 p.m. Correct answer, the flight departs at 7 p.m., simple present tense. Question number 43. Which tense describes an action that was finished before a specific time in the past? A. By midnight, I finished my assignment. B. By midnight, I had finished my assignment. C. By midnight, I was finishing my assignment. D. By midnight, I am finishing my assignment. Correct answer, by midnight, I had finished my assignment. Past perfect tense. Question number 44. Which tense is used with by the time to show an action completed before a future point? A. By the time you arrive, I will cook dinner. B. By the time you arrive, I will have cooked dinner. C. By the time you arrive, I am cooking dinner. D. By the time you arrive, I cook dinner. Correct answer, by the time you arrive, I will have cooked dinner. Future perfect tense. Question number 45. Which tense is used to describe how long an action has been happening up to the present moment? A. He waits for an hour. B. He is waiting for an hour. C. He has waited for an hour. D. He has been waiting for an hour. Correct answer, he has been waiting for an hour. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 46. Which tense is used to describe an action that was planned but didn't happen? A. I was going to meet her, but she cancelled. B. I met her, but she cancelled. C. I am meeting her, but she cancels. D. I will meet her, but she will cancel. Correct answer, I was going to meet her, but I was going to meet her, but she cancelled. Past continuous tense. Question number 47. Which tense describes a future action that will be taking place continuously over a period? A. Next month, they will build a new house. B. Next month, they will be building a new house. C. Next month, they build a new house. D. Next month, they have built a new house. Correct answer, next month, they will be building a new house. Future continuous tense. Question number 48. Which tense is used for timeless truths or scientific facts? A. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. B. Water is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. C. Water boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. D. Water will boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Correct answer, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Simple present tense. Question number 49. Which tense indicates a change or development over time that is still in progress? A. The population of the world grows rapidly. B. The population of the world is growing rapidly. C. The population of the world grew rapidly. D. The population of the world will grow rapidly. Correct answer, the population of the world is growing rapidly. Present continuous tense. Question number 50. Which tense describes a past event that occurred before another past event and is the reason for it? A. He couldn't enter because he lost his key. B. He couldn't enter because he had lost his key. C. He couldn't enter because he loses his key. D. He couldn't enter because he is losing his key. Correct answer, he couldn't enter because he had lost his key. Past perfect tense. Like, comment and subscribe.